Hey everyone, today we have a cocktail that was requested by Pipes 187. This is going to be the Paper Plane. So this cocktail was actually made in 2008. So this is definitely a modern day cocktail. So we are going to be shaking this one. So you need your shaker tin, you need your jigger for accurate measurements. You're going to need a Hawthorne strainer and mesh strainer. I do have it this time. Yay. So for this one, we're going to be using lemon juice. Ooh, juice. Fresh, of course. Amaro, Aperol, and then your favorite brand of bourbon. So this is actually just a 1-1-1. So don't forget, ingredients listed down below. Come along, make the cocktail with me. So this one, we are going to do 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 0.75 ounces of Amaro, 0.75 ounces of Aperol, and 0.75 ounces of bourbon. All right, as always, guys, we're going to fill our shaker tin to the top and then shake until it's ice cold in our hands. All right, so we're going to use our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer. We're going to be using a coupe glass for this one. I got new cute little coupe glasses for this cocktail. Look at how cute it is. And double strain. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. And here my hubby was so worried that it was going to be overflowing the glass. Look at how perfect that is. It's like I make cocktails or something. And then for our garnish, I pre-made this guy because, as we all know, Juliana hates lemon twists. But look at how beautiful that one is. I'm going to pat myself on the back for that one. All right, guys. There we have it. The Paper Plane. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy seeing my beautiful face every day, and the cocktails, of course. Can't forget the cocktails. If you enjoy everything I'm doing here, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's a cocktail you want me to make. I would be happy to make it on the channel and give you the shout out. Again, thank you so much, Pipes187. Happy to make the cocktail for you. Cheers. Until the next pour.